Hey everyone, it is August 1st and we know what that means. It's Temptations Days. We are so excited. We have been counting down and working so hard towards this month for so long. I can't believe that it is finally here, and you guys have been so excited and so curious about what we have planned for all of you for this month. Buckle up because we're excited and they're for sure excited. So we have our little fan club in here, some of our dogs peeking through. How hilarious is it? Fozzie! Foz, hey! We kept him outside so that we could keep this concise. But hope all of you are doing well. Super excited. I don't know if you've been on QVC.com yet today, but already over 30 brand new items have already been up and available for you to peruse. So check those out. Super exciting. That's just a little bit about what's coming. We have new, we have seasonal. Did I mention your returning favorites from Pumpkin Patch and Harvest and Buffetti? Yes, we have Buffetti. We have linens we're going to debut in a beautiful Harvest pattern. Hoping you're going to love them. We have placemats, we have a runner, we have napkins. I think they're absolutely gorgeous and will be perfect for all of your centertaining needs. What else do we have? Returning faves, of course. We couldn't have Temptations Days without that. And then maybe you heard, I know you did because there were a lot of submissions, about us naming our reindeer, which begs to wonder why we haven't named all the other characters. So stay tuned for that. But our reindeer, we have picked Wimbley. Is that not so cute? He's adorable. And huge shout out to Pauline Kelly. So Pauline, we are going to be sending you at the end of the month our new mitt and towel set. So stay tuned for that. And then we're going to take all of the submissions, and there was a ton, and put them in a big bowl, and we're going to randomly pick about 3 of you and announce those winners after the show on Wednesday. So coming up this Wednesday, the 7th, we have an hour show at 7 p.m. with Rick Domeyer. Buckle up for that. And after that show, Lisa and I will pop on and announce the winners. So that's exciting too. We'll send you some mitts and towels. Everybody gets a mitt and towel set. We'll send you a couple of mitt and towel sets. So we're excited about that. So right now we are getting ready to kick it off. New items already today. We will be on QVC2. We will be on Friday tomorrow. We will be on Saturday. We will be on Sunday in the Kitchen with David with a brand new item as well. And then buckle up because we roll into our big deal on QVC2 on Monday, all through Tuesday. And then, yep, you heard us, Wednesday, an hour show at 7 p.m. Please make sure you tune in. It is like the kickoff to our mini series that you're going to see throughout the month. And then, of course, we roll on into David's show. So lots of amazing stuff planned for you. Lisa, how's everybody feeling?
Well, Ed Tesher just popped on.
Oh, Ed Tesher.
And he said, hey, that's my wife.
Oh, is it?
Shocking. Hey, Ed, look, the dogs.
Hey, Ed, they're patiently sitting there. How about that? They're waiting to come out. They want to hear all about Temptations Days too. So anyway, super excited. Hope all of you will join us for our kickoff show at 7 p.m. on Wednesday on QVC. And then keep looking, keep checking. Go to our calendar on our Temptations.com page. Check out when we'll be on. That's about as up to date as we know. Because believe it or not, we don't know. So we're just as excited to hear where it's all going to play out as you are. Okay, so that is the kickoff to our Temptations Days. We are excited and we can't wait to see all of you. So happy shopping, happy sharing, and can't wait for you to see all of our entertaining great ideas. Mwah. See you soon. Bye.